What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make ham bone split pea soup. Alright, here I have some split peas, 8 ounces to be exact, and I've soaked it overnight in cold water and washed it. You're going to need some pimento seeds or allspice berries. You're also going to be needing some celery and some thyme leaves. You're going to need 1 to 2 packs of Jamaican Soup Powder. You're also going to be needing some garlic and some chopped onions, some carrots, some potatoes, and some chicken thighs, honey. I will leave the ingredients below this video for you, okay, in the instructions. Alright. Now, in about 12 cups of water, you want to boil your ham bone for about 40 minutes. That's just to make sure you get all the flavor from that ham bone. You know, ham bone is very flavorful, okay, and you want to get all that flavor into your soup, so you have to boil it for about 40 to 45 minutes, and that's what it looks like. Then you want to add your split pea. I'm only using 8 ounces of split pea, and I'll tell you why later. You're going to add your soup mix. Now, if you don't have Jamaican Soup Powder, you can use chicken bouillon or vegetable bouillon. You can use about four of those little cubes. That'll give you that nice, intense chicken flavor. Okay, other things that you're going to need some chopped chives. If you don't have chives, you can use scallion or green onions. You're going to need some black pepper and some garlic powder and some seasoned salt. Now, after 20 minutes of bringing all that flavor together, you want to add your pimento seeds, your onions, your garlic, your celery, your thyme, your chives, your garlic powder, your black pepper, your seasoned salt. Just add it all to the pot. The only thing that you're not going to add just yet are your potatoes and your carrots. You're going to save that for last. Alright, so you want to give that a good mix, and you want to cover it for another 20 minutes or so and just allow it to cook on medium to low heat. Alright, add some red pepper flakes if you want yours to be a little bit more spicy. That's what I did. Okay, so as I said before, you're going to cover that for 20 minutes and just allow it to simmer. Alright guys, next up you want to add some spinners. That's dumplings. There's a recipe for that somewhere on my channel. Just look around and you can watch that video. Alright, you want to add your carrots and your potatoes last. Why? Because they take the least amount of time to cook, so you want to add it last for the last 20 minutes or so. Alright, so you're going to cover it and just allow it to cook again for another 20 minutes. Now, notice how thick the soup is getting. This is why you should only use 8 ounces of the split peas. Do not use the whole 16-ounce pack, because your soup is going to be too thick. And that's what's left of the ham bone. All the ham done fell off. All the flavor is gone. You can discard it or you can leave it in the pot. It's totally up to you. Alright? So you're just going to cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes longer. And let me tell you, after 20 minutes or so, honey, you're going to notice that your split pea soup just got nice and thick. You see that? Yeah, it's going to be nice and thick. Now, one last thing that I need you guys to do is, I'm going to need you guys to remove the allspice berries. They have a lot of flavor, but they taste horrible if you bite into it. Alright, you won't be needing those. Some people hate to have it in their soup, so just remove it. Alright, and that's it. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Your soup is done. You can have this on a cold night. Alright, just enjoy it. You can add other veggies if you like. Whatever you like, just add it. This is just basic. Alright guys, now try my split pea soup and tell me how you like it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Peace.